Power song cause Badwam Ahosepe Jumwezido or your honest simple the Fantidol President for the Brothers and Sisters Association. A power song call is a Badwam. Also something is terrible, no lackadaisical attitude, no lackadaisical attitude. Everyone so na abo embosa na Adom na what in them. And I pay my phone call some or entertainment industry news. Now, I don't Chabia, Shatta Wale called Jamaica, Kobo Freedom Concert or Jamaica. Now, the Freedom Concert, your boy Jamaica. A lot of controversies. Waba, the most show no okay, no, you be say one perform ye, you be so perform ye, you be small to my yana, why and or beyond a nagin chair, a war, new cry. Okay, perform me in Jamaica honum. Na you crop perform me on stage on God. On God. Many can say echo US, never question chats or your music chats over U.S.A. On God, the number one. On God, a put more honum zunzuna. Many can say, cut out. Mumbo. And Shatta Wale, I settles man, as I say. Adreno iye juma. Adreno oye juma. And for me that Shatta Wale, on your BBA or on John Hunkechi, ni bibi obeye biano. Onyim zori. One of the people are on Jun Konenyim power industry mu Shatta Wale. Into no Shatta on God no, Mami, ono unoda honum no ehwe chat na ono na oda honum no Shatta Wale new cra US chat Shatta jami shiro onyo kese on God nyum na ehu Mami mama enjoy on God make a cra king already nyame insho papa na edwuma na ere ye na nyanso no ozan mo na eza ta edwuma no ho na ezere ye na nyanso no ntimu mo atasa na edwuma no ye na ye ni ye. Support from Ghana always 100%. Yet I wish Pampe Kowenyi Mahenati. Into no Shatta Wale Indian, but Shatta you be an industry no pa, especially one man. I feel na work if no. It's another that me who there watch your letter. I'm a Mr. President. One for letter no onto the letter to our new president of Ghana. Into no you know of free African dancehall king into the ears of the new president of Ghana. Or say, I wish our new president, John Dramani Mahama, can also reform our music system to attract more professionals on radio and television, similar to the appointment of new ministers when they assume power. You know, the entertainment industry needs that change. The younger ones coming can't go through what some of us have been through. My humble wish, just for the next generation to come and see this music business as a job and not just fun. Into no Charles ni Ama Mesa ne open letter watch show Ozakama new president John Dramani Mahama chimo ombomazana to the musma or appoint ministers na azono onfa nyomebi into to kwem onfa ma yen music industry no dan bro ya industry no botum we jan nando papa ma titiri for wetum na waka yen nyom no ho asam na obandama bezan ho no fom na wanye ho ne daw no kakrama fo na warba no won so amba mbafo mo bi into no Shatta Wale ne open letter watch Ozama Mr. President or Ninyan. Hi. Into no enough of the king already. Yen tiado na yen ko hinim. Na eno da beke de menyu bebezi TikTok nkomo bi. De oyaza US abanono wama TikTok for no or year up to 19th of January. Say one more zanara na one kaka ho one tan company no. And I work for company no in share American Yibinansa. Me you can say area why there and you draw rea ba. Elon Musk. Ono no koto Twitter na say we change Twitter ni na call X mo. Papa no ni sikaze owobi de ebro woni fia na amka da emu. Cause we na emu so se na ebro aha. Nta we bia okay o sika papa o chioma nara oboto nala boto ti China officials, okay, contemplating selling TikTok to Elon Musk. Into no, maka try da some no here U.S.A. Into no mobeke kesi biara no yebema waswa atibi. Na minyoka say ye lose kuku dem bi pa o Ghana ha dey. Ye lose kuku dem bi pa o Ghana ha dey. Na mepede bo hwe video yi eba na nyimpa ye lose no maka no hasam kakra was actual. Yen hwe na mo osibisa video yi na. Yemra. Me started or say in no oye ndida na Uncle Besa Simons or boy na menze de me ruka say onka atasefo asase ho onya in fee 88 Kumase na wo no boko school was a Kendi College beso kwa brochir wabo band the Comet band kra no ono na ochichiri 1962 honom the Comet band mpanyimfo no wonyim za America no nti no ndeda na yenya na nti the CCR no onka atasefo asase ho biom ye gina ha de na ya mebusua ni nyinara ya akọ oyeyew na nyakopon bakure obia bibia Adom bibiara aye kama mbe no sonso no se de kapen no krabia yezi hu begim na yakohwe ma bibiara aye kama wo hono nti no me started your say nyamefo ukra nsie ye papa nti no you know I read some sad notes one more be fin no na yen ma ye be fin no ye be fin the papa nti no osibisa kukudam pa founding member oka ho ma wo chichiro osibisa band no me started your say CCR no oni hono bio nti no yente awensa ne yente osibisa mo hono nyom kakra na yaba zo twato no za wo wansa na masora akọ. Okay, nti no no hasam aranye entertainment nkomo Badwam Ahosepe na muguda mjina manando o hade ya meze rebro. Menyoka say Dope Nation wa pledge na wako akokobo free show o Swesco. Swedro Secondary School. Na obi bi sade abazinta abrentebe inta. Abrentebe ojina ho inta. And papa ye asan. Papa ye kwa chira ma so obi ye azeka kraba kra na oye ni ye ya na osade bebe praise no ende minyo ka say no kwari nyi ho do bi we hu obi na ze wo fom onyimpa de sika mfifiri wo fom so ze oso we tu sika hu ame ehwempa sika wotu ne hu a ifom mfifiri sika da sis don tu sika hu ihu obi na ze wo fom a onye wo za fa na ze kaka man thank you know although ko ye normal we in society but bana ba madam azi nye normal Siminyo kase abrante bay on ne headmistress no jana in channel o hade video no a trend ye papa o socials no do on entertainment into na member can no but za wa masisia my attention another one do ma menyo kan da masemi enye there abrante ba no Dope ne onom no drink Dope Nation worko school hono wa akobo free show ama school no za abrante ba ne ye enye de ohun obi ne purse wo film and offer personal or the kama headmistress the way who obi the person for masika shem wochema papers wom da mara na kwen so wom e bi number social media no do baka there second year 20,000 headmistress no amabrante ba no 20 Ghana cedis o line e assembly e man ko furu tweboy no e hwemo na sana no kware biara enyim sika no o 200 cedis and na kwen 11 cedis ka ho into no headmistress na cha brent no 20 Ghana cedis but e bi sama wa ma no hwe kra mpo a in Castella but for Sunday headmistress no just channel ye no opedo cha bofunders o ye no kwan papa no nam do no ntomi no e hwe interviews a brent no wa ye nyinara na etumu do ye very sweet boy or ye thoughtful papa odwunko e chose sika miza bo for CCR 2 days pepe mezimo asa so no matter was the number nyina wo social media I will be pede support no koko support na single mother o raise number no we raise number find am no so no one support abofra no na ma mintumo mbo no na o man education ko ne hia nyimpa bi no modam a woda ho awu de iwiaze azo oyenyi za onyenyi o mix there be abofra no nyame hia papa nti no Dope Nation boko school honom na wako akaka perform free esi hu video na ehu oh mama we twegu socials no da ma anko into na wo hwe kakra ai na yembresi se a wo fancham kakra ai ye twen video no na tida mama care no headmistress na ba second Swedro secondary school na abofra no we koto obi ne purse ehu sika hjem ho amfa wasne maame anhye na dam onya ne za nso so do return sika no na wa return sika no na azia ko viral anko bi dimpo wori twa na alepay because we feed na sika no do so nya ni sika wa return sika no nti no za wa ye o twada o de ye monambo Sunday in the papaye asa papaye inyi ho biom me video no are ready ntawo yen share na yembra ai.
So the girl came to identify that it is 100 cedis note, 50 cedis too. The coins. And I mean, there's the coins. Plus the girl's keys. She identified everything. And this boy did not take a penny from what he saw. He just brought it to the administration.
Amazing.
This is it. I'm telling you. And so this is commendable. And yes, he found 200. I just dashed him 20 cedis. But then, the blessing that will go with it, he could have spent the 200 and the coins, whatever. But definitely, it will follow you. Coins, no. The girl said 11 cedis. Master, message intact. Girl, no, can't the amount of money 11 cedis. Master, when you check, the coins. I was shocked. So I told the boy that honestly, I will reward you for this thing that you have done. But I cannot do it privately. I cannot stand here and just reward you quietly. No. So please, at the right time, at assembly, I will reward you for what you have done. And this morning was the right time. Hey, we were all shocked. Those of us. Master, 200 Ghana. The additional coins. He did not go to steal it. He just found it. But decided to. In fact, with this thing that is happening, I think we should even bring the parents on board. For them to know what the child has done. And so whatever training that a child is being, put through at home is yielding. On tensi. It doesn't happen. Even with girls in pool, you cannot vouch for some girls. But for a boy, final year Form 3, to find a purse, 200 Ghana. Yak. Coins.
Okay. Into another headmistress no, watch it no. Na za oma iyi oye nyika nyide nde tsama meke no papa ya asa. Nde yenyim what is right na what is wrong. Nde all compose them bente manampa ndam bente mana wa ba no sika obi tum chini nua kakra ba no ozna akodo wo fa sika mfa man. Orukuni nua na wa gisika. Nde papa ye kwechi. Nde bono no adoso. Nto ntoka na nke iyi no tsama meke no koye normal kosa de iyi no oye normal zamahen de enamani to sike hu a anade nom ni hu nyanko na az de foma ihu do onye woza nti na eba fa na hwehwe nura but nde de maza no onsi bio nti no abrantie ba no ye no wama waye ye no wonwa Maya to tasranye de yemfom asuaze se yenya abrantie be ne saso nkokule ba sa wo Ghana be fine papa yenyim de America ele kada wo awanke de boko na anye mame wo ye pepe pedama no se de yen ai obi na azota onye woza fa na hwehwe ni wura na fomman ai nti no abrantie ba no nyame nhira no ebi mpa no nam na mukwani do na nyakopon ba sesa no na nebusu nyina wondabre nti no nyame nhira no papa the way tum na why bibi dem the be no dope nation also ko school way ekwa anyim obenya 200 cedis also ebezi no 2 days ma wasa so no oretani hwe anyim nyamara abente ban waje wo socials no do why kama papa Nande mijina ha de ye ho a mijina ha wa enigem o Sunday in there my head of productions my personal favorite person ne birthday wo be Kofi Ampedu in there na wo da nyame ze afekor aka na mfe ho and I'm no nyina na yezi birthday no bravo vi hey Wasa boga alla ya meda nyame ase doza afekor aka na afe ho masra ahozen masra nkwatenten masra apomuzen na masra sika bebre ahunya bebre na mzama wo be Kofi Ampedu waka na mpa egba akirem this year waka na mpa egba akirem na minim dem bedem biara afine bosono na yakopon ahye no hanyimnyam o na abrabom happy birthday to you and thank you so much for all the love Kofi nyame shiro ate inte no ahana meza hu sepe no me de besi moroko na maka bibia ye clear atasa ti no nyame yadoma ye besa na ye hia ma won ma wo ma mtu meze yi bro nyina ande Richmond o te chipa no direct bibia OPD obuom with the stories Millicent Masa Abraham nda so wojira won ando papa wa ha Michael no Moses so worry a sign sound wo ho no Isaac amwa so telum zinzimanka obodum lightning ti osere fast na lami na mobonizin jimaima na nda ochume nyim awaji mbranyim ye yi no so yami show papa mo so do nyame yadoma ye besana ye hia happy birthday to Kofi Ampedu.